Hey YouTube, what's going on? It's TheRealJDoll here on TheRealJDoll's channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I did this long, super cute, super easy, super fast, and super affordable phone. Okay, so before we really get into it, I just want to tell y'all that this is not easy breezy or beautiful like I thought it was going to be. Like, it turned out cute, but I'm a real hard critic on myself. I said a critique on myself, and I'm going to just let y'all be the judge of how it turned out. But yeah, this wasn't easy at all. Okay, so my hair is clearly looking a mess. I am at the end of this flat ironing phase. Today I will be using the Got To Be Glue spray, Incredible styling gel, this black one, Murray's Edge Wax, this bad boy right here. I got my brush. You know, my girl, she a little nasty. Well, I won't say nasty, she just got some hair sticking out, and I'm not about to expose her by putting her all up in your face. And as a backup, I have Old Faithful. And I have my little janky comb. She a little scarce in some areas. I have my blow dryer. And of course I have my packed hair. So let's go ahead and get started. And I'm just gonna comb it. Ooh, y'all. Gotta get all these tangles out. Let me go ahead and turn to the side for y'all. I'm going to do a part back here. Nothing too serious. And clip all this up here. So now I'm going to take some of my edge wax, just a little bit, and I'm just taking some like this. My brush. Okay, then I'm gonna take some of this spray. Now I'm gonna take my blow dryer and blow dry it down and repeat the process. Much harder than it looks. At this point, y'all, my arms feel like they are about to fall off, but I am on the front half of my head now. Same process as the back. The only thing different that I did was take out my edges so they can be out, so I can do a little swoop at the sides. So I did the other side, so and I put it in a ponytail. I got my little edges left out. I am sleek and mold it down. Mold it down on both sides. Now I left my edges out on this side too, girl. Put my hair in a ponytail in the bike. So that's where we're at now. So now I'm about to lay my edges. I'm going to lay them with this TheRealJDoll Ultra Glue styling gel. Look at it. Y'all can't even see it, but it's like Now for this ponytail. So now I'm just going to take a piece of the ponytail and wrap it around the top to cover up the rubber band. And I'm going to seal it using the freeze spray and the styling gel from TheRealJDoll glue. I just went like 4 hours or whatever because I felt like it didn't look good, but it actually doesn't look that bad. So this is what it looks like right now. All I'm going to do is take some more of my spray and spray it. So that way it kind of sticks. And then I'm just going to section it off into 3 parts. No. Right there's cool. And I'm just going to braid it as tight as possible. Make sure you braid all the way to the end and then some. And that is all. Let me. As always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, TheRealJDoll. And that's pretty much it. So I'll see you in the next video.